Welcome to part 3 of our lesson.
We have a very interesting lesson on words containing A as well as words containing O and OI.
But before we start, please note the following. Remember to stop the video at any time to go over what you have learned. As I said to you in part 2, if you never watch part 1 and part 2, go and check them out and then you can come back. Alright? Let's begin.
Now in every word where the A is sounded like A, it's translated with an E sound. For example, cane is translated to cane, cable, cable, case, case. In sentences, they sound like this.
The cane sweet, you see? The judge dropped the case. You pay the cable bill?
Now here are some more examples to get you familiar with the sound. Place becomes place. Save, save. Game, game. Rain, rain. Waste, waste.
No, words that begin with the CA, they make the sound ka, are often translated by including what I call an intrusive Y after the consonant C. For example,
Can't becomes can.
car, kyar. Campus, campus. Kangaroo, kangaroo. Me can't do that. The car can't start. The university campus have all kind of people. The kangaroo them no for Australia. Now, this rule that we used for the translation of words beginning with CA also follows translations for words beginning with GA together. It is translated by including the sound that a Y would make. So for instance, a word like garden would become garden. Gap becomes gap. Ganja, ganja. Now, in sentences, these words would sound like this. The garden is in full bloom. She have one gap in her teeth. Enough people think ganja legal in Jamaica, you know. Now, a little side note exception is that in the case of the curse word damn, in Jamaica, that would be translated to damn. Example, the damn boy won't pick up him shoes from the door. Now, last but not least, we are going to look at words that have OI or OY in them. These words with the OI or the OY pronounced OI are usually translated to sound like I. For example, voice becomes vice. Oil becomes aisle. Foil, file. Join, jine. Noise, nice. Destroy, destry. Annoy, annoy. Loyal, loyal. Enjoy, enjoy. Now in sentences, these words would sound like this. Our vice gone. The aisle done. Wrap the fish in the file for roast it. The Well, car can make up nice, you see. There, of course, are some exceptions to this rule. Well, these actually aren't really exceptions per se. It's just that these translations often have an intrusive W in it. Words like boil becomes while, spoil, spoil, boy, why. So in sentences, these words would sound like this. Boil the banana. Them picnic spoil, you see. Why picnic? Easier for care. Wow, what a lesson. Yes, I know it's some heavy stuff, especially the sentences. I can imagine it might have been a little difficult to grasp, but I'm going to keep reminding you that it's a video, so stop it, rewind, listen carefully again, and try to repeat for yourself. Alright, again, leave comments below or send me a message to my email, and I will try to get in touch with you as soon as I can to reply to any query you may have regarding the lessons. Alright, hope you enjoyed this lesson. Stay tuned for part 4. Little more.
Now here are some practice words for you. And don't forget, follow the link to part 1 and part 2 of the video.
Little more. Bye.